Okay, so I got a question from Kyle, and he writes in, he says, Yo, Spart, I begged my ex-girlfriend out of my life to the point where she blocked me on everything. Will I say blocked forever? How do I get her to unblock me? Want to know your take. Kyle. That is absolutely disgusting behavior. Pathetic, weak, low status, beta male bullshit. I hope I never, ever have to read an email like that ever again in my entire life, because that is pathetic. It is a disgrace to our gender that you would act like that. Pathetic. And I'm gonna rip you because you deserve it. That was fucking sad. Really fucking sad, and no girl deserves to be begged like that. No girl ever. So doing that is really fucking pathetic. That being said, you're not alone. Okay, you're not alone in this situation, because there's lots of men out there who have begged a girl to the point where they've been blocked on everything. And again, she has lost respect for you. She has no sexual attraction for you when you do that. She sees you as a simpy beta male. Actually, not even that, a chai, right? A chai. So recovering from that will take a long fucking time. It could take fucking years, all right? So here's the deal, man. What you need to do is accept the loss and take ownership for your pathetic behavior and move the fuck on. You need to move forward with your life and stop thinking about her. Chalk it up as an L and say, fuck it. I'm just forgetting about it, right? And what's going to end up happening is you're going to forget about her and you're going to stop worrying about her. And eventually one day down the road, I don't know, it could be months, probably years, where she's like, okay, well, he hasn't reached out to me. Maybe he's gotten a hint. Maybe I can unblock him. And she'll probably do that as long as you don't fucking do shit. Because if she unblocks you, she is scared shitless that you're going to start begging her again. So she's going to throw out little fucking tests. She's going to unblock you, try to check out your profile, see what's going on in your life, and then she's going to reblock you, right? Because she thinks that you're not going to fucking reach out. So you might notice that. You might notice you're unblocked, but you don't do anything. You don't fucking do anything. You don't reach out to her. You don't question her, blah, blah, blah. You just let her fucking be, right? And eventually, she might reblock you or unblock you, and you do nothing. And then eventually, she just keeps you unblocked. And then maybe one day she follows you. But what do? You do nothing. You don't do anything. You just let her keep coming to you bit by bit by bit. But again, I don't want you to hold on this fucking hope. You don't deserve any fucking... You don't deserve her follow right now. You don't deserve any girl's follow. What you really need to do is get your mind into your team Fortune, learn the fucking shit out of it, like learn this shit, so this shit never happens again, where you never feel like you need to beg for a girl ever again, because no fucking girl deserves that. I don't care if you cheated on her. I don't care if you act like a dick. You can't fucking beg for girls because it is pathetic and they don't appreciate it. They don't find attraction for it. If you fucked up, you say you're sorry, you make a genuine apology, and that's that. You say, listen, I'm super sorry I did what I did. It was super disrespectful. I'm willing to change if you're willing to give this a shot. But if you don't want to, I totally understand. I would love for you to stay. I'd love for it to work out between us. But if you don't want it, I understand. And she says no, then you let her fucking walk away. That's what you do. And then you let her walk. You don't reach out to her. And if she starts to miss you, then she'll get in touch with you. You don't fucking beg for her, because then you get, like you said, you get blocked or you get restraining orders. You gotta fucking stay strong. I know it's hard because rejection breeds obsession, but you cannot, I repeat, you can never, ever beg, because you will get blocked. You will get pushed away. She'll laugh at you behind your back. She'll laugh about you to your friends. You'll have your text will be in a fucking group chat where they're shitting on you, and you ruin your image forever. And she's now making fun of you to the guy that she's fucking. And he's now laughing at you and telling his friends how big of a fucking simp you are. So you never want to give her that. Own the fucking rejection. That is that. And eventually, one day she'll check up on you and probably try to check in on you, right? That's what would happen, but you didn't fucking do that. Own it, accept the loss, and that's that. Don't expect for her to follow you back either. Don't.